Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you on how to deactivate or to delete your Facebook page quick and easy. If you are interested, keep on watching. First, go to your Facebook application and you need to log in. And then just click the main menu at the right upper part of your screen, this one. And then you need to click this one. Once you click it, just choose what Facebook page are you going to deactivate or delete. Example, Mr. Heartbeat. On this page, just click again the main menu at the right upper part of your screen, this one. And then click the setting icon, this one. Just scroll down and search for access and control, this one. Just click that one, and then once you click it, you will proceed to this page, and then you need to click this one. So first you will go to the activate a page. Just click this one and then click continue, and then you need to put your password to verify that it's really you. Once you put the password, just click continue and then choose why you are deactivating your Facebook page. For example, I will choose this is temporary, I'll be back. Just click that one and then click continue. And then you need to scroll down again, and at the bottom part, click continue. And then click the activate page. And then click again the activate page. So let's proceed on how to delete our Facebook page. Just click this one, delete page, then just click the word continue. Once you click it, you will proceed on this page. No need to choose, just click continue. And then you need to scroll down again, then click continue, and then you need to put the password to verify that is really you. And then click continue, and then click delete page. That's it. Thank you very much.